Okay, YouTube, about to get in some midnight fun on a midnight run. So hopefully I get some good views for y'all because I need something with a light on it and that I don't have. So we about to do one of these midnight runs. I'll tune in with y'all in a second. Midnight runs be long. Sometimes I don't even do the whole thing. They normally start from around 12 a.m. to about 3 p.m. So gotta give me some snacks, hydration. Okay, YouTube. So we done made it here to one of the meat spots. It's probably the most people I ever seen. It's definitely well over 100 cars. This is crazy. It's gonna be a great night. Toys is out tonight. Hellcats. M Coupes. It's gonna be a great night. Okay, this is the meet. We approximately leaving at midnight. It's currently 11:55. A lot of toys out tonight. Luckily, I gassed up. We're gonna do some driving tonight. Oh yeah, the Bay is out tonight. Yeah, this is gonna be a great night, I swear. I wish I had better lighting out here. I don't have better lighting out here. G80. That's classy. AMG. M4. Look like it's time to roll out. Everybody get in the whips. Time to ride out. Time to roll out. Right, we're getting ready to roll out. Roll out time. Got the map set for the next location.
Money on my mind,
Look at this. Mobile One. I just paid $20 for this. $20 because my car said it needed a quart of oil added. $20. Gotta go get my oil changed. Okay, finally got back up with the people. I went on a major detour. Major detour. Alright, looked like we made it to our final destination. Everybody meeting up here. I just went on a little quick detour. Had to go stop and get some oil. Yeah, finally caught back up to everyone.